Okay, so we're going to do a SSD upgrade. I've got a Crucial 2.5 250 gigabyte SSD right here that I'm going to swap out with this hard drive. So what you're going to do is pop this up after unscrewing it, and then right here you'll have a screw in here. You'll push on this and it'll slide out. Oh, I forgot a screw. Another screw right over here. And you'll push on this, it'll slide out just like that. What you're going to want to do is put it in a docking station like this. Like that. And then you can take your SSD. And I always recommend using Mini Tool Partition Wizard. That's right up here. So you'll open that up, clone drive D to E, or E to D, just make sure you're using the right hard drives, whichever one's the SSD and whichever one's not. And then once you're done with that, you'll take this out. You'll take this out. You'll undo this drive bay, undo it from this hard drive, put it onto this one, and then just install it back into where it goes. I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.